Hey Gems, welcome to another day of Vlogtober. Let's get into it.
Go crazy. Hey, hey. How pretty that is. Yeah, love it. It's like a red orange with like some gold reflex in it. Yeah. Beautiful. We're in Ollies and I'm about to show you guys what we find. Okay, so first we see this one. Uh-oh, let me see. open it up. Let me smell it. That does smell good.
They both smell good.
Okay. And the one I'm getting 2 of this one. Cozy Fireside. They're $2. They have these scents too. Flannel. They have warm vanilla. This is a good deal. 4 bars, $4.50. This one is my favorite one though. This one's my favorite. So, gonna get that one. Then they have the relaxing one. 6 for, yeah, good deal. This is usually like $10 for this. I've never seen this scent. It says limited edition and it smells really good. Have you guys seen this one? Remembers this when they were younger. I remember I used to love getting these in the mail. Who's old enough to remember this? Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you leave me a comment. Shout out to all my channel members. Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, I am Tracy Lee, and Miss Nexie. Join channel membership to be featured.